All right, today we're jumping aboard a boat that is, for a lot of people, the absolute dream. A 2018 Fountaine Pajot Lucia 40. And this isn't just any old Lucia 40. Nope, this is the owner's version, which is a really big deal. We're going to dig into exactly what that means and why this boat is so special. So, let's get into it.
This quote from the listing really hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? We're not just talking about a collection of fiberglass and sails here. We're talking about a lifestyle change. It's about freedom, adventure, and just casting off the lines. It's a pretty powerful idea, and this boat is being sold as the key to unlock all of that.
Okay, so let's get right to it. The price tag, 359,000 euros. Now keep that number in your head as we walk through everything, because every feature, every piece of gear we're about to see, it all ties back to the value you're getting for that investment. So let's start the tour. You're going to hear the term turnkey a lot with this boat, and that's a big deal. It means this isn't some project boat you have to pour thousands of dollars and hours into. Nope. The idea here is that it's a complete, ready-to-go adventure machine. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First things first, let's talk about design and performance. I mean, a boat can look pretty sitting at the dock, but what really, truly matters is how it feels and handles when you're out on the water, right? And everything about this boat's engineering is focused on making it stable, comfortable, and just easy to sail. And you know it's a quality build right off the bat. I mean, you've got Fountaine Pajot, one of the top names in the catamaran world, and then you have Barrett Rockapoo doing the design. That's kind of like a dream team. It tells you you're getting a boat that's well thought out and built to last. Okay, so let's look at the numbers here, but in a way that actually matters. The length, almost 12 meters. That's a great size. It's easy enough to handle, but still feels really spacious inside. But the real magic number here, the beam, the width. Over 6.5 meters. That's why catamarans feel like a floating apartment and have incredible stability. And check out that draft, only 1.2 meters. That means you can sneak into all those cool shallow anchorages that other boats can't get to. So, you might see this term fractional sloop rig in the specs and wonder, what on earth is that? Well, all you really need to know is this. It's a fancy way of saying the sail setup is super efficient and, more importantly, really easy to handle. You don't need a whole crew of expert sailors. A couple or a small family can manage this no problem. It's all the performance with all the complexity. At the end of the day, this all comes down to comfort. And that's where this twin keel design really shines. You know that side-to-side rolling motion that can make people feel a little queasy? This design cuts way, way down on that. So whether you're sailing or just chilling at anchor, it's a much more pleasant and stable experience. It just makes life better. Okay, so we've got a boat that's comfortable and performs well. But here's where things get really, really interesting. We're talking about true self-sufficiency, being able to go off-grid at sea. This is about not having to be tied to a marina every other day for water and power. This is where that freedom we talked about at the beginning really kicks in. So what does off-grid actually mean on a boat? Well, it pretty much boils down to these three things. Number one, you can make your own fresh water. Two, you generate your own power. And three, you can control your own climate inside. And this boat, it's set up to do all of that. It's basically your own little floating island. And here's the gear that makes it all possible. You've got a water maker that can pump out 100 liters of fresh water an hour. That is a ton of water. Then there's a powerful Onan generator to run all your electronics, and get this, full-on Dometic air conditioning, hot and cold, for the entire boat. So yeah, you're going to be comfortable no matter where you are or what the weather's doing outside. All right, let's head inside because this is what everyone really wants to see, the layout. This is the owner's version, and trust me, it is a total game changer for how you actually live on the boat day to day. Here's the deal, and it's brilliant. Instead of cramming 4 small cabins onto the boat, they took the entire starboard hull, the whole thing, and dedicated it to the owner. You get this huge bedroom, a really spacious bathroom, a little office area. It's like a proper master suite on the water. And don't worry, your friends and family are still taken care of in the other hull, with 2 nice cabins and their own bathroom. It's the perfect setup. So what happens when the wind just dies? No problem. You've got twin 30-horsepower Volvo engines to get you home. And having 2 engines is huge. First, you've got a backup, which is great for peace of mind. But the best part is maneuverability. You can literally spin this boat in place. It makes getting in and out of a tight spot at the marina so much less stressful. But it's not just about the horsepower. Look at this number, around 600 hours on those engines. For a 2018 boat, that is nothing. That's incredibly low. It's a huge clue that this boat has been lightly used and probably very well cared for.
For a new owner, that means a lot less worry about immediate repairs.
Now let's talk about the main living space, the galley and salon. This is where you're going to spend a ton of time. And it's set up right. A 3-burner stove, 2 fridges, and a separate freezer. You're not just making sandwiches here. You can cook real meals and stock up for weeks at a time. And that L-shaped couch, that's going to be your spot for everything. Dinners, card games, or just kicking back and enjoying the amazing view.
And when you're at the helm, you've got everything you need right at your fingertips. It's a full Garmin electronics package, and the great thing is, it's all integrated. The chart plotter, the autopilot, the wind instruments, they all talk to each other and work together seamlessly. It just makes navigating safer, easier, and a lot more confident.
So when you put it all together, the smart design, the off-grid systems, that amazing owner's layout, you really start to see what they mean by a turnkey package. This isn't just a boat. It's a whole system that's ready for adventure the second you step on board.
And the value doesn't stop there. Think about all the extra stuff you usually have to buy after you get a boat. Well, it's included here. You get the dinghy and its motor, all the cushions for the cockpit and the sunbeds, the canvas covers to protect everything, even a top-of-the-line anchor. That stuff adds up fast. Having it all included means you are literally ready to sail away the day you take ownership.
And that brings us full circle, right back to where we started. We've seen the design, the self-sufficiency, that incredible layout, and all the gear that's included. It's all there. So the final question isn't really about the boat itself. It's about the dream. Is a vessel like this your key to that life of freedom and adventure? For the right person, this isn't just a purchase, it's a profound change in lifestyle. And that's something amazing to think about.